Man, I've been wanting to. I was supposed to do the last video. I'm probably gonna do it, maybe. But this probably gonna be so good that I don't even gotta do another video. He drives this shit like he's supposed to. And let's go. There's a reason why there's a few pictures up here of and for the same one. Not his, but the one I'm gonna get. Alright, cool. And I be feeling like he should put more ads, but hey, whatever. Anyways, here we go. Finally.
The, road and everything good enough. So I'm currently waiting for some parts on this car, which, kind of screwed me up a little bit because I was super excited to throw on some of the mods that I got coming for this thing. However, literally every single thing I have coming for it is like delayed in some sort. So that's where I'm at now. Yeah, man, she's still pretty clean. Got the interior. Got to figure out something with these seats, protect them a little bit.
Yeah, I gotta
try to keep it clean for the most part. I got sometimes.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably put like especially for the front ones.
I'll be honest with you. Not feeling the greatest today, but
I'll put some like seat covers, maybe, like some low key ones, maybe at least for the bottom, for the ass. Let's go.
I'm gonna try to salvage tonight and take it for a little spin. Hopefully, I can clear my mind a bit and learn some tips and tricks on the way.
Oh, his family good, nothing.
I started using these gloves to drive, and I'm telling you right now, night and day difference. Night and day difference. They're not even racing gloves; they're just regular gloves. I use these to drive; it just feels so much better. My palms get a little sweaty, and I just feel like I have full grip of the steering wheel. I got my niece right here in the middle, just so I can always think of her, and because, well, the miles per hour is behind there, so I'm taking you guys' advice and put my niece right there. So, and one activated is we're good to go. I'm gonna keep traction fully on for this one. What the hell? I turn it off.
Yeah. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. God, that's fast. That's quick. Like, we have to be in this car to really understand that. Like, that's crazy. I mean, this is powerful. This is gonna be me. Let's go. Here we go.
Traction back on.
Love hearing that intake. Wow. Oh my God. Woo. Boy, he's driving it like auto top in them. Yeah, that's how they drive them sometimes. Man. This shit should go over 10K easily. 20. I mean, come on, like y'all should support way more. It's like, I would love to hear it with exhaust, obviously. Oh, them turbo. can't freaking wait till I can't wait. Cause those turbos just winding up. It's amazing. That's crazy. I see why these be beating so many cars, because they're hella quick. Hella quick. Wow, oh shit. Damn. This is some better, way better seeing that speedometer. Way better. I can't wait till he tunes it. Ooh. Wow. That was a hell of a turn. He did make the back fish out a little. Damn. Ooh. The interior is just so nice too. You know, the little thing, the little lights are cool. Oh, oh yeah, get it out. Oh, somebody's trying to cut up.
This is a believer.
What was that trying to cut up with him? Was that a 5? I don't know. I thought he was gonna line it up. I thought he was gonna line it up. That car is scared.
can't wait to get some Michelins on these puppies, man.
Wow.
Oh yeah, they sticky though. They get sticky. They grippy though. I don't know.
I thought it was going through the thread.
Pirellis, though. They kind of cold. I can't sleep on these Pirellis. Though. They kind of grippy, man. I don't know. Those of you who have your G82s or G80, G83, whatever, comment below how you like the Pirellis. If you actually drove it on the Pirellis and not just gave them up after like 2 miles. Because like, you know, they not bad. They sticky too. Oh boy. They ain't Michelin sticky. Michelin would be like glue right now. I've noticed that. And I've heard the tread on these things suck. Like the tire wear, like 8,000 miles, and pretty much overpass that. But I don't know. Comment section below. Got some bird shit right here. I'm gonna take care of that right now. Good. Thanks, man. Thank you. No. It's the competition. The CSL didn't come out yet.
Bro, I think I had the M3 manual.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the competition is way different.
Yeah, automatic. So I like, you know,
Bro,
and it grips.
You lowered it?
Yeah, I load on AST springs and spacers. Yeah.
Dude, that's great.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Yo, find your car, drive it.
Yep. Why would he get that? Wait, what did he get instead of that M3? He had the manual. The base model isn't bad. Like you see what Auto Top they did with theirs. It's crazy.
Great? I like it, man.
Thank you, bro.
That's like a boss car right here, you know?
Thank you, bro.
Yo, take it easy, man. I got the M8.
Oh yeah, he got an 8.
M8
Okay.
Grand Coupe.
Okay, I mean that's a huge upgrade from a 3 to 8. Shit. I would have probably went to a 5, you know, because I'm for sure getting a 5 over 8 right now. I mean, I like 8s, but I just feel like I could rock a 5. But of course, an 8 would be hard. But I would think of a 4. Thank you for watching. That was a great video. I like that. I like how he drove, you know, everything. And I want to link up with him when it's time being for me to have mine. And we could maybe race. I'm for sure going for performance for mine. You know, we going in.